Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me another free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get right into it, shall we? Here's the instructions. Good instructions on this one. Very detailed. Very good. It's a bit of an install. Mine is a wall-mounted television. What we have here is a digital converter stick. So what this does is it takes your input from your antenna, and it will convert it into your digital channels for your digital television. It also has a digital hard drive where you can record your programs that you want to watch later, which is kind of cool. So it's kind of a DVR. Well, it is a DVR. It's a DVR that you can record your digital channels that you pick up off of your antenna. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box, unbox it real quickly, and then we're going to install it on my television. We have here in the box, it's pretty simple. We have the device itself, which is just a small box, that antenna on one side, and then you have a power port, and then part that hooks up to your television. And they have several different ways. If you have an older television, you can connect it with the older television, or they have several different ways you can connect it up to television. So even if you have an old style television that doesn't have the new style ports, they have connections for that also. And then they have a universal remote control, so you can hook up all of your things to one remote. And they even send the batteries for the remote, which I think is kind of cool. So we live a full-time life in an RV, so this is our television on the wall. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring this guy in. Here is that is the stick itself, and that has to hook up between the television and the antenna. So I'm going to pull this antenna cable off. Hook this up to here. HDMI cable. I have a newer TV, so I can use my HDMI port. Take the covers off the HDMI cords. These came with. Plug this into the HDMI port. Right here. And then find an HDMI port on your television. And then the unit itself needs power. So power to the unit, and then this is going to come off of the USB port on the back of the television. USB port right there on the television. Plug it into the unit. And then finally, this is actually a digital indicator that you're going to want to see. You're going to want to put this on the front of the television. It even comes with a little sticker, so you can put it on the bottom of the television. It is the digital channel indicator. Plug that into the unit itself, like so. Okay. And now we're done with the install. Now we just got to put the television back up. All right. So now we have the little unit here. I'm just going to simply you can see that it has power. You know what? I think I'm going to wait on that, because I don't know which way is up or down. So I'm going to wait to glue that.